Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking your Capcut videos to the next level with the power of background music. We'll show you how to add the soundtrack in just a few steps. So let's get started. At first, open the Capcut app and start a new project or import your existing video. Now choose Audio from the editing menu and select Sound to access the Capcut's audio library. Here you'll find a wide selection of music categorized by genre, mood, and even popular trends. Browse the library and find the track that complements your video. You can even preview the sound before adding them. And now, once you find the perfect music, tap the plus symbol next to it, and this will add the music to your project.
Welcome to Editing Basics, where precision meets creativity. At Editing Basics, we believe that every word...
To do so, again choose Audio and Sound and select this folder option and click on the device. Now, from here, choose the music according to your preference. Locate the song you want to use and tap plus symbol next to it. At first, trim the music. Drag the edges of the music clip on the timeline to shorten it and match the duration of your video.
Welcome to Editing Basics, where precision meets creativity.
After that, control the volume. Tap on the music clip and select the volume from the editing menu and adjust the music volume according to your preference.
Welcome to Editing Basics, where
With these methods, adding background music to your Capcut videos becomes a breeze. Remember, music can set mood, enhance your storytelling, and create a more engaging overall experience. So experiment with different kind of tracks, edit them creatively, and have fun making your videos. Leave a comment below showing off your musically enhanced edits and hit subscribe for more Capcut tutorials. Thank you.